Well, as you can probably hear in the background, it's a windy day here on the nursery, so we've moved inside into the green hut. We put together a selection of plants that are typical of some of the things we're going to be shipping out to garden centers in the next week or so. And here on this wagon, I've been talking about all sorts of things, but in particular about these three dwarf or slow-growing Arborvitaes. Now, all of these are selections of our native Arborvitae, very hardy, very easy to grow, and nice and compact growing in nature. And in particular, I want to show you this one that's called Danica. For here's one, as you see, that's got this very distinctive round ball-shaped habit. Bright green foliage during the summertime, and then when the temperatures cool down in autumn and winter, takes on more of a darker green, almost bronzy shade. Like the other Arborvitaes, it likes to grow in a sunny, well-drained position, though actually they will cope with damper conditions too. Just about any conditions as long as they're not wet and saturated. This one grows about 2 foot high, and like the other Arborvitaes, responds very well to clipping, to shearing. So if you want to shear it back and keep it really neat and tidy in habit, you can do that. But actually, it really doesn't need that at all. Wonderful as a single specimen in a raised bed or rockery. Could be used in a container too, makes a lovely container plant. Could also be planted out as a little low kind of a hedging plant. Lots of ways where you can use this lovely Arborvitae. Now, as you look at the name Danica here, it gives a clue to its background. For this variety was found originally in Denmark. Arne Jensen found it in 1952, but actually it wasn't until 1969 that it was introduced. And at that point then it was named Danica, and from then until the present day it's become a very popular, highly reliable and really very attractive little slow-growing conifer that you can use in your garden in all sorts of really useful applications. This is Thuja Danica.